morning dear students. Warm welcome to this session. You are watching EduStar Class 5 Science Lesson 7 Soil Erosion and Conservation Part 1. So far we have completed 6 lessons and their book exercises and classwork also, isn't it? Dear children, look at this picture. She is having plant in her hand, isn't it? She needs to plant this. What does she need? Look at this next picture. What are you seeing? Yes, dears, she is planting that plant in soil. Can you imagine, without soil, can we grow any plants? Without plants, can we get rice, vegetables, fruits, etc.? Without these food items, can we live? No. So, can you understand how important the soil is? Dear children, today we are going to learn about soil formation, the importance of soil, what is soil erosion, and agents of soil erosion also in this video session. It is very important concept, isn't it? Dear children, listen this lesson carefully. We are aware of the ways in which human beings have caused damage to the earth. Now we can no longer ignore our responsibilities towards our planet. We have to take the necessary steps before it too late. Soil formation. Soil is the topmost layer of the earth's crust. Below the soil, there are solid rocks. Initially, the earth contained only air and water with hard rocks on the surface. With time, these rocks got broken down into tiny particles by the heat of the sun, the force of flowing water, and wind. The soil was formed. The process of soil formation is a very slow process and it takes millions of years. Why soil is important? Soil is one of the most valuable natural resources on the earth. Plants grow in soil. Soil supports and holds then plants. Soil also contains the essential nutrients that plants need for their growth. All living things depend on plants directly or indirectly. It contains air, water, minerals and humus. Humus is formed by the decay of plant and animals' part. Plants need the top layer called topsoil to grow. Topsoil contains humus which makes the soil fertile. Thus, soil is the basis of all forms of life on earth. However, some natural and man-made activities lead to the loss of soil. Therefore, soil needs to be protected. Soil is the home to small animals like ants, moles, rats, earthworms and rabbits. Minerals and ores are obtained from rocks which lie under the soil. Now, we are going to see an activity. You can also do this activity. Take handful of sand. Now, blow air over the sand with your mouth. The soil or sand blow away from your hand, isn't it? What is this, dear children? This is how soil erosion by wind takes place. Dear children, what is soil erosion? The topsoil being very light is carried away very easily by the action of wind or By water. What is soil erosion? The process of removal of topsoil from the surface of the earth is known as soil erosion. Soil erosion is the process by which the top fertile layer of soil is lost. Land becomes barren. It cannot support any form of life. Students, shall we see some agents of soil erosion? What are the agents cause soil erosion? Wind, water, and human activities. Human activities such as deforestation, ploughing of hill slopes, and overgrazing. First, we are going to see about the first agent of soil erosion, wind. Strong wind blows away the topsoil. It happens mostly when the land is empty and does not have any plants growing on it. A strong wind carries away a good part of the topsoil. Quite often, the roots of the plants lost their soil cover due to wind. It is common in desert and semi-desert regions where strong winds blows most of the year. Can you understand, dears? Next, we are going to see about soil erosion by water. Rain loosens the topsoil, isn't it? Flowing water carries the topsoil with it. This type of erosion is mostly seen in hilly areas as water rushes down the slopes and washes down the soil of the hills, making the slopes unfit for cultivation. This may lead to floods. Moving water in rivers removes rocks and soil from its bank, causing soil erosion. Erosion can also lead to landslides, that is, when loose rocks move down a slope or hillside. Dear children, next we are going to see about the human activities. Soil erosion by human activities. What kind of human activities can cause soil erosion? Do you know that? Yes, dears. Deforestation, ploughing of hill slopes, and overgrazing. First, we can see about the deforestation. Cutting down of trees in large numbers is called deforestation. The roots of trees blind the soil firmly and do not allow it to be easily washed or blown away. That means the roots of trees and plants hold the soil together. When trees are cut, the soil becomes loose and gets washed or blown away easily, isn't it? Next, ploughing of hill slopes. Deep ploughing of land and hill slopes also increases the risk of soil erosion by wind or water. Overgrazing. When the same piece of land is used to grass, cattle over and over again cause soil erosion. It results in less grass cover. This exposes the soil to wind and water, causing soil erosion. Dear children, the impact of soil erosion is huge. Now we can see some effects of soil erosion one by one. They are loss of fertility, shortage of food, and flooding. What is loss of fertility? It is the topsoil that is fertile and best suited for farming. In places where there is a lot of soil erosion, the fertility of soil is greatly reduced. Removal of the soil makes it infertile and difficult to grow crops. Shortage of food. Due to soil erosion, plants cannot grow properly. This means less food for the people or animals. Flooding. Running water coming down the hill carries a lot of soil with it. As it flows, it leaves some of the soil along its path. Over a period of time, the soil accumulates as sediments in the river basins, making them shallow, resulting in the change in the river course and in overflowing of the rivers. This can lead to floods which cause destruction of both life and property. Dear children, can you understand what is soil erosion? The importance of soil erosion? Three agents of soil erosion and impact of soil erosion also. Okay, dear children, now it's a fun time. Shall we do? Mickey is going to ask some questions to you from this today's session. Will you try to answer? Okay, dears, let's start. The soil contains. Say the answer. Yes, dears. The soil contains air, water, minerals and humus. The removal of topsoil of earth is known as? Can you say the answer? Yes, the removal of topsoil from the surface of the earth is called soil erosion. Next question for you. It is the dash that is fertile and best suited for farming. What is this? Yes, it is the topsoil that is fertile and best suited for farming. Next question. Cutting down of trees in large number is called? Very good, dears. Cutting down of trees in large number is called deforestation. Erosion of soil by wind is common in hilly areas, deserts, plains or mountains. Which one is the answer? Yes, desert. Erosion of soil by wind is common in desert. Dear children, now another one fun time. Shall we play one game now? You will like to play fun games very much, isn't it? Come on, dears. All of you, look at this picture. Use the code key given below to find the secret message. Can you try to find? Shall I say the answer, dears? In the first box, square symbol is there, right? The code of the square is N. The code of the next symbol is O. The same thing, we can find the code of the given symbol, then we will get one slogan for us. Shall we see that? Next letter, S. The next code of the given symbol is O. The next code of the given symbol is I. Next, soil. No soil. Next, again, N, O. Next, what is the code of the given symbol? F. O, O, D. No soil, no food. Very good, dears. We have found that slogan. Okay, dear children, have you enjoyed with this fun time questions and fun time secret message game? Okay. Now, we have to write the classwork for this lesson. Shall we start, dears? Lesson 7, Soil Erosion and Conservation. All of you take your science classwork notebook and one new page. Write today's date in the date column and write the name of the lesson 7, soil erosion and conservation, as usual with black pen neatly. Next, copy the given classwork content as it is in your classwork notebook. Use black pen to write the heading and use blue pen to write the remaining. First, you have to write about soil. Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth. It was formed due to breaking up of rocks into very tiny pieces due to the action of heat, rain and wind. The process took millions of years. Next heading, soil erosion. The topsoil being very light is carried away very easily by the action of wind or water. This process of removal of topsoil from the surface of the earth is known as soil erosion. Next, we have to write the agents of soil erosion. What are the agents of soil erosion? Wind, water, human activities such as deforestation, ploughing of hills and overgrazing. Next, you have to write about wind. A strong wind carries away a good part of the topsoil. Water. Moving water in rivers removes rocks and soil from its banks, causing soil erosion. Next, you have to write about the ploughing of hills. Ploughing of hillsides loosens the soil that results in soil erosion. Overgrazing. When the same piece of land is used to graze cattle over and over again, cause soil erosion. Effects of soil erosion. Loss of soil fertility, shortage of food and flooding. Today classwork is over, dears. We came to the end of this session. Write neatly. Read this content in your book. We will meet soon in our next video session. Thank you, dears.